Um, Good afternoon. My name is Masud Mia. I'm from Bangladesh. I'm currently pursuing my master degree, um, computer science and information technology at the International Islamic University, Malaysia. Um, I have a strong passion for software engineering and data analytics and artificial intelligence. I'm highly motivated to advance my mm, knowledge in the applied computing and intelligence system. I complete my bachelor degree in the computer science and engineering in 2022. Over the first few years, I have gained the practical experience as a software engineer and a data analyst. I worked a lot of practical project in the data analytics and also software engineering. One of them I built uh, the Hack Center and also my own business, softaculas.com and also goodbiz.net. So this is the actually uh, including the buying and selling system, AI-based tools and web application that solve the real problems. In addition, I have been actively involved in the digital marketing and content creation and managing the multiple online platforms. This experience have strengthened my analytical thinking, problem-solving ability, uh, and adaptability also. They are essential field skills in the field of informatics and modern software development. Why I chose University of Hazek Karlov. I chose Faculty of Informatics and Management at the University of Hazek Karlov because of its strong focus on practical and modern IT education. The university offers a well-structured program that effective combine um, theoretical knowledge with the real world application. I'm particularly attracted to to its the international learning environment, innovative teaching methods, and opportunity to engage in the research industry related subject. I believe this environment will help me to grow academically and professionally. Why applied informatics? Actually, I applied to the applied informatics because program is perfect aligned with my academic background and long-term career goals. So the program integrates key areas such as software engineering, informatics systems, image processing, communication technology, which are essential for building modern technology systems. So I think I'm especially interested in the computer vision and intelligent systems, which directly related to my research focus on crop diseases using artificial intelligence. This program will allow me to strengthen technical expertise, expand my research capability, and develop innovative data-driven solution for real-world challenge, problem-solving challenges. So I think now I'm pursuing my master degree in the International Islamic University, Malaysia, which is related to the computer vision and image processing analysis. So that's why I applied information. Uh, I'm applying applied informatics in your university, Hardik Karlo. So from this program, I expect to gain advanced technical knowledge, practical experience, and exposure to real projects. I also look forward to working with experienced professors and also collaborating the international students. So which will help me develop a global perspective and improve my communication and teamwork skill. So in my future skill, I know my future career is to become a highly skilled software engineer and AI specialist. That's the to combine the similar one subject with strong focus on the intelligence systems and development. After completing my master degree, I plan to pursue in the PhD degree in your university. If I get a chance, then I'll stay over the for PhD degree for machine learning or depend on depend in my research expertise. In short term, I am aim to the strength my technical skills and gain experience by working as a software or AI engineer or research-oriented environment. In the long term, I aspire to become AI engineer and applied research, developing intelligent intelligence and scalable or secure system that are address real world challenges. My primary focus is on agriculture and the food security in my home country, Bangladesh, where rice is the main staple food. So I'm deeply motivated to develop a smart AI-based systems, farming systems that can be detect early rise, leave disease using the computer vision, and provide real-time guidance to farmers. So this is my ambition because I'm a farmer student, farmer. My father was farmer, so I'm sons of farmers. So this is my ambitions. So this goal is very personal to me as a father was a farmer. So who faced my many challenges due to the lack of proper knowledge, technological support. Farmers often to don't know the right time and to take action. So that's why which is leads to crop leaves through my future systems. I aim to provide accurate notification solution that can be help farmers improve the productivity and reduce losses. So that's the my aim. And if I developed any kind of software, then they will get the subsidy from my website. So my future goal is that and settle down in the Bangladesh, which is the really appreciate because my father told me about that. When you complete your study, then you will return your country and serve your country. Okay, if I get chance to serve the Czech Republic, then also sure I will work I will do my I will give my best services for the check. But if I not don't get any chances, then I will return my home country when I will complete my PhD degree. So that's my clear ambition and future goal. Thank you. Thanks for giving me chance after the gaining knowledge experience. Also, I fully committed to return to Bangladesh. Uh, that's my promises. I believe there is a huge opportunity in the apply AI in the sector. I want to be part of transformation in the Czech Republic. Okay. So thank you for your time and consideration. I'm very excited about the opportunity to study your estimated institution and contribute to its academic community also. So thanks for watching.